Hi everyone! Black Friday is coming fast. Let's roll up our sleeves and make this website the best it can be. Let's get started. In Depicter dashboard, go to Templates and choose the Black Friday category. You'll find a variety of pre-designed pop-up and sticky bar sets perfect for your Black Friday campaign. Don't miss out on the early Black Friday deal. Grab Depicter Pro for only $19. Click the link in the description. Let's kick things off with a sticky bar. Choose one and import it. Feel free to change whatever you like, then hit publish. The stunning design of this sticky bar is sure to grab your visitors' attention. To capture your visitors' full attention, let's add a pop-up to your website. Once again, from the Depicter dashboard, go to Templates, Black Friday, choose the matching pop-up and import it. The pop-up is a real beauty. Let's replace the email form with a compelling coupon box. Customize the coupon box's appearance to match your pop-up. Before adding the text, let's create an eye-catching background. Add a shape and customize its appearance. Now, let's add a subheading that complements the title. To ensure consistency, we'll copy the title's style and apply it to the subheading. Finally, we'll add another text element and customize it to our liking. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. Hit publish. Go to display rules. In triggers, enable the spend time on page option. Set the desired time delay and click publish now. Let's see the magic in action. We've already seen the impressive sticky bar. Now let's wait for the pop-up to appear. And there it is, our stunning pop-up, right on time. Now let's take a look at how these matching pop-ups and sticky bars can transform other themes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. That's it for today. Don't forget to check the link in the description to grab your discount. Take care.